need ezinye izinto asikho isidingo. I always say yes, okay, sharp. Sesibuyele emuva bekuyi-throw in yethu. Now look at the goalkeeper. Murena tshela mara bafethu mara. Mara uzosikhipha emalini mara yazi. Imagine minute number 3. Usikhipha emalini. Now let me show you what's wrong with this thing. What's wrong with this? Let me take it back just to show you what is wrong with this. Okay, the ball is coming from the left-hand side. Keeper. Now, are you gonna play? Let me stop. Sharp. Ne? If you're going to play the ball, if you're a team that likes to play the ball, ne? You have to have a goalkeeper that uses both feet. You can't have a goalkeeper sebenzisa inyawo. Siyabaza bo left ke futhi basebenzisa inyawo laka left. You can't do that because now he's being played under pressure. Now look at the first touch. Ultrapa go right and the ball is there. If the ball is there, it means now you must pass it there. Or if you have time, then you can do what he wanted to do. Uljigise bese uyalipass. But if you was good with both feet, you trap the ball with your pin. It's in the middle. Then if it's close there, you pass with your right foot. There. Then take it short. You see where the ball is. He can't pass the ball. He can't pass the ball with his left foot. If Belime Pagat, he uses his right foot, he goes back because he can see which okay, by pressure. It's closed there. It's open this side. Now he wants to turn one left. But when Zani, uliyal khahlela ngamapin. Ulkhahlela ngamapin. Not every goalkeeper is good playing the ball or using their feet. It's only Rowan Williams. You must watch him when the ball comes. He sometimes when I saw a khahlela ngo left. Yeah, if you don't believe me, watch Bafana Who AFCON. Here is another unnecessary mistake. Diagonal pass. They don't mind doing this, Pirates. They don't mind. Okay. Kick the ball. Mfana Git.